Hello, newbie freelancers. Do you know there are over 3.5 million active buyers on Fiverr? There are around 500 categories that cover almost every niche of freelancing, from $5 gigs to premium packages exceeding $1,000. Fiverr offers excellent services for buyers around the globe, making it the perfect springboard to launch your freelance dream in 2024. Whether you are a graphic designer, a skilled copywriter, or a pro-level web developer, Fiverr is a perfect platform for your talent to shine. You meet with international clients from the US, UK, Australia, and many other countries doing the project exceeding expectation. And building a strong portfolio is a successful freelancer. Let me tell you how you can start your Fiverr journey today. But first, please like and subscribe my channel below. The more subscribers I get, the more time I can invest in sharing my valuable freelancing tips to you. To start, just open your browser and type in fiverr.com and click join. Or you can select the continue with Google or continue with email option. After signing up, create your profile. Add a profile picture in which you look competent and cool. Write a bio that showcases your niche-based skills like an expert, and don't forget to mention the past client that you've worked with. Basically, you need to convince the buyer that you are the missing piece to their upcoming project. Okay, now for the fun part, your gigs. These are your mini billboards on Fiverr, so make them pop. Think catchy titles like website copy that converts or a minimalist logo design for gaming. Write clear gig descriptions explaining your offer and set package prices. By the way, you can create a better gig after reviewing existing sellers on your niche. Remember, the more compelling your sale pitch, the faster the orders will come in. But wait, there's more. Don't just wait for clients to knock on your inbox. Fiverr itself allows you to share your gigs on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. The more people know you're open for business, the more chances of winning jobs. Once a client messages you, make sure you put your best foot forward. Be prompt and professional, clear about your work and why you are the best choice for their Fiverr needs. Think of yourself as a problem solver, all ready to save the client from a project disaster. Finally, deliver your order as per deadline. You need to make the score of order competition and on-time delivery above 90. Treat every project like a masterpiece, a ticket to your next order. And remember, happy clients mean 5-star reviews. Those are your golden ticket to Fiverr fame. At the start, you can offer 2 or 3 revisions. Thereafter, consider offering an additional revision as a paid gig, working promptly and replying quickly when your clients reach out. This will boost your response rate, order completion rate, and seller level. On a serious note, do your best to prevent cancellation by clarifying project requirements beforehand. If a cancellation is inevitable, resolve the issue as soon as possible, or be prepared for a red flag on your profile. And there you have it. The roadmap to Fiverr freelancing success is all about being brilliant, showcasing your skills, and delivering top-notch work. Now call your inner freelancing rock star and ignite the internet with your freelancing fire. I hope this video will help you start a great career on Fiverr. Best of luck on your freelancing journey. Stay tuned for more Fiverr related videos. Thanks for watching and be freelantastic.